Top 5. Air Fryer Oven. An air fryer oven is a versatile kitchen appliance that combines the benefits of a traditional convection oven with the convenience of air frying technology. It typically features a compact design and uses powerful convection fans to circulate hot air around the food, creating a crispy and golden exterior while cooking the interior evenly. Air fryer ovens are prized for their ability to prepare healthier meals with significantly less oil compared to traditional frying methods. They can handle a wide range of cooking tasks, from frying and baking to roasting and dehydrating. Many models come with multiple cooking presets and adjustable temperature settings, allowing for greater cooking flexibility. With their compact size and multifunctionality, air fryer ovens have become a staple in modern kitchens, offering a convenient and efficient way to prepare delicious, crispy, and healthier meals. Number 5. Cuisinart Air Fryer. The Cuisinart Air Fryer Convection Toaster Oven, model TOA-70, is a versatile kitchen appliance that combines the functions of a toaster oven with the benefits of air frying. This 8-in-1 oven offers various cooking options, including baking, grilling, broiling, and warming, making it a versatile addition to your kitchen. Constructed with stainless steel, it not only looks sleek but is also durable and easy to clean. The air frying function allows you to enjoy crispy and healthier versions of your favorite fried foods without the excess oil. It's a space-saving solution that eliminates the need for multiple kitchen appliances. The Cuisinart TOA-70 is a convenient and efficient way to prepare a wide range of dishes, making it a valuable addition to any kitchen setup. Number 4. Instant Pot Vortex Pro Air Fryer. The Instant Pot Vortex Pro Air Fryer is a powerhouse kitchen appliance, featuring a substantial 10-quart capacity and 9-in-1 functionality. From the makers of the renowned Instant Pot, this appliance offers versatile cooking options, including air frying, roasting, and convection baking. One standout feature is its even crisp technology, which ensures your dishes come out perfectly crispy on the outside and tender on the inside. The stainless steel construction adds durability and a sleek, modern look to your kitchen. Additionally, the accompanying app provides access to over 100 recipes, making it easy to explore new culinary possibilities. With a powerful 1500W motor, the Instant Pot Vortex Pro is designed to handle a wide range of cooking tasks, making it a versatile and efficient addition to any kitchen. Number 3. Instant Pot Vortex Mini Air Fryer. The Instant Pot Vortex 4-in-1 2QT Mini Air Fryer Oven Combo is a compact yet versatile kitchen appliance brought to you by the makers of the renowned Instant Pot. This appliance offers a combination of 4 functions in one, including air frying, roasting, baking, and reheating, making it a space-saving and efficient addition to your kitchen. It features customizable smart cooking programs, allowing you to easily prepare a variety of dishes with precision and convenience. The non-stick and dishwasher-safe basket simplify cleaning and maintenance, while the aqua color adds a vibrant touch to your kitchen decor. Moreover, the accompanying app provides access to over 100 recipes, enhancing your culinary repertoire. The Instant Pot Vortex Mini Air Fryer Oven Combo is a fantastic choice for those seeking compact and multifunctional cooking solutions. Number 2. Ninja Digital Air Fryer Oven. The Ninja SP101 Digital Air Fry Countertop Oven is a versatile kitchen appliance that combines the convenience of an air fryer with the functionality of an oven. With its 8-in-1 functionality, it can handle a wide range of cooking tasks, from air frying and roasting to baking and dehydrating. One standout feature is its flip-up and away capability, which makes it a space-saving solution for smaller kitchens, allowing for easy storage. This countertop oven comes with essential accessories like an air fry basket, wire rack, and crumb tray, making it even more versatile. Its silver finish adds a sleek touch to any kitchen. Whether you're looking to prepare crispy air-fried dishes or bake delicious treats, the Ninja SP101 Digital Air Fry Countertop Oven offers a convenient and space-efficient solution. Number 1. Kosari Air Fryer. The Kosari Air Fryer Pro LE5QT is a versatile kitchen appliance designed to simplify meal preparation. With a spacious 5-quart capacity, it offers quick and easy cooking, utilizing temperatures of up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit to achieve crispy, delicious results. Its quiet operation ensures a peaceful cooking environment, while its impressive 85% oil-less cooking capability promotes healthier eating. This air fryer boasts 130 exclusive recipes, guiding users to create a wide variety of dishes effortlessly. Its 9 customizable functions provide versatility in cooking options, making it suitable for different culinary needs. Compact in size, it doesn't take up much counter space, and it's dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. Available in an elegant gray finish, the Kosari Air Fryer Pro LE is a must-have appliance for anyone seeking convenient and healthier cooking solutions. Thanks for watching the video. The links of the products we discuss in this video are provided in the video description. Please check out the video description and find the product links to buy your favorite products. If you think the video is helpful, please like, share and comments the video, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. Thank you.